National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 443, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maine: Androscoggin, Cumberland, Franklin, Kennebec, Oxford, Piscataqui, Saginaw, Somerset, York, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Cheshire, Coas, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford, and Sullivan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.